Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are continuing our soothing series with this beautiful Soothing Micellar water. I knew this soothing series would need a gentle facial cleanser, and micellar water seemed like the obvious choice. You'll recognize lots of the base ingredients from the other recipes from this series, so there's of course some aloe juice, some cucumber distillate, and some chamomile hydrosol. You'll also find other great ingredients like panthenol, sodium lactate, Propanediol 1,3, and calendula extract. Our surfactant for this micellar water is PEG6, Capric, and Caprylic triglycerides. And I gotta say, please don't change that ingredient out for anything else. I have experimented with making micellar water with every single liquid surfactant I own, and this is the only one that produces acceptable results, produces excellent results. Everything else is just not good. It could be that I'm very picky about sort of the sensation of tightening or tackiness on my skin. You might not be bothered by the types of things that bothered me, but I can say, hand on my heart, I hated every micellar water I made with every other surfactant except for this one. This is a really simple to make recipe. It is completely cold processed, so you can really measure everything straight into the bottle you intend to store the micellar water in, cap it, shake it, and you're done. As a reminder, if you want to learn more about this recipe or the ingredients I've used, please go down to the description box below this video and click through to find this recipe on my blog on humblebeeandme.com, or you can also just go to the website and search for it there. There you'll find an entire post devoted to this recipe with the whole recipe written out with much more information about how I developed the recipe, information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, where to buy ingredients, and a whole lot more. But come on, let's get started. We'll begin by weighing our watery ingredients into a beaker. And so you want to make sure that you're using quite a precise scale. This is accurate to 2 decimal points, as I have found that fairly small variations in ingredient amounts can make a pretty big difference in your experience of the end product. So we are going to need 55.92 grams of distilled water, 24 grams of aloe vera juice, 24 grams of chamomile hydrosol, and 12 grams of cucumber distillate. So now it's time for our non-watery ingredients. So for the thing that makes this a micellar water, you're going to need 0.48 grams of PEG6, Capric, and Caprylic triglycerides. If you want to know more about why I chose this ingredient, please go and check out the blog at humblebeeandme.com. But the general gist of it is, do not substitute this ingredient. I have tried tons and tons and tons of different surfactants and have been extremely disappointed in the performance of every single one of them except for this one. You'll need 0.6 grams calendula extract, 0.6 grams Propanediol 1,3, 0.6 grams sodium lactate, 0.6 grams liquid germall plus, and 1.2 grams panthenol. Now that we have everything in our beaker, we'll just give it a quick mix. I'm just going to use this little micro mini mixer. Now all that's left to do is to transfer it into our bottle. So this is a 120 milliliter or 4 fluid ounce bottle. I like to use a bit of washi tape to decorate my assorted bottles. I've been using this particular one from Muji to decorate everything that's part of this soothing series, so I can easily identify everything in my bathroom. And there you go. You just made a gorgeous soothing micellar water. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and do remember to go down to the description box below this video and click through to find this recipe on my blog, where you'll find everything written out, all the amounts in metric and in percentage so you can scale it, information on how to scale it, information on all the ingredients, where to buy them, substitutions, tons and tons and tons of awesome information on the blog. So please make sure you visit it. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.